In this episode, we're going to fast forward to March of 2022 when we started to pack to sell our house and move out of San Jose. We only lived in the house for 5 years, but it seemed like a lifetime of stuff. Splitting our stuff between what we're going to give away to our kids, what we're giving away, what we're taking to the boat, what we're taking to Florida, and what we're putting in long-term storage was a logistical nightmare.
Alright, we're 90 days away from closing the U-Haul. This is our second garage sale.
So excited!
We get to spend all day trying to find good homes for all this stuff. Having a garage sale is like, you get paid like 50 cents an hour to work it. We have an offer. We're trying to make a decision on what the counter. Slow day.
Slow.
We're going to miss this house, especially the backyard and the pool, but we're both really excited to wake up alone in a tranquil anchorage in the Bahamas.
Wow, like blowing right out into the street, man.
Moving is stressful, and stress takes its toll on everyone, and we were no different.
Loading up our second car. Took a load to the Salvation Army this morning. This stuff is going to a charity that donates all their money to a mental health facility. Picking my second batch of tomatoes. Time to make some pasta sauce. Nothing. I love these times we have it together.
Me too.
Yeah. Here we go.
We did what we could do to stay sane. Visiting Muir Woods one last time was a total blast. The view from the top is awesome. You can see the ocean and much of San Francisco Bay.
You guys shouldn't need to kill me.
We made it to the top.
Did you have any doubts, Shane?
Nope.
Nope. You ain't afraid of no work.
I ain't afraid of no work. Mike,
You clean up well.
now time for dinner.
Din din. Which cookbooks to bring?
I know, it's hard to think about it.
This is all long-term storage. This stuff we're selling and giving away. Packing materials. Everything with a green dot is going to Sarasota. I'm not sure where we're gonna put it, but there is no reason why we should be keeping 20-year-old travel books. You're ignoring me. You're on camera. You're not supposed to be ignoring me on camera. Tell us about the book of paint.
This is the book of paint of every room we've ever painted, of every house we've ever owned, and all the small projects we've done since the beginning of time.
And I think you're probably the only person in the history of the human race who has ever done this.
And I just love this book. It brings back great memories. And
See what I'm up against here?
what great taste I have in paint.
That we just hauled down from the closet, from the attic. Children's books, Legos, puzzles, tax documents back to 1964.
No.
We had many disagreements over what should go where and what should go in the trash.
All right, it's Monday, September 5th. Shane and I packed all weekend thus far. It's probably the third or fourth weekend we've packed every single day. Everything is getting there. Most everything downstairs is all ready to go. A crazy amount of work. Shreen went somewhere this morning. I don't know where she went.
A trip to Chicago in late September to visit close friends and her daughter was just what the doctor ordered.
Your review is available until after 4. But if you want to upgrade for $65, I got it at 3/4 of a view of.
We love visiting her school, the School of the Art Institute of Chicago. Visiting the school almost made me want to go back to school again for sure.
Down, and I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, Prost. Then we're gonna put them up. Awesome. And 3, 2, 1, Prost. Completely straight. You're at 2 minutes and 50 seconds. This is our ladies winner at 3 minutes and 33 seconds.
Come on.
It's not fair. Shereen's arm is tired from last night.
Yeah.
What's the sinking elbow?
That makes a difference. You're at.
You're at a minute 20, minute 30.
I got a minute.
Bridget was bugging the out of me because she kept touching my elbow.
It's
I'm like, stop touching my elbow. I think
Go,
we should go around in a
Shereen,
circle. I think
go.
we should go around in a circle and everyone should do it. Okay, I gotta work on this for the boat.
2.5.
Can I have some pumping music? This music's awful for like. Oh, my arm! This hurts so
Come
bad.
on, you got a half a minute.
This hurts so bad. And why am I doing this? Because I have a big mouth. Am I doing this because I have a big mouth? I have a big mouth. I am losing it. It hurts so bad.
Let me check the timer. Stand up straight.
I can't. No.
You don't have to stand up straight.
It is
You're losing it.
I know. Stop touching me.
You can't like you.
Am I there yet?
As long as you
3:32.
Oh.
I got meetings.
Steve, did you close on your house?
Yes.
Oh, we're celebrating tonight.
It just took a while.
Dinner on Steve.
We're gonna celebrate tonight. Dinner's on you.
Sounds great.
Hey.
All right, gonna start to load up the pod. All the stuff's going to Sarasota. Everything with a green dot. Everything without a green dot is going to long-term storage. All right, it's about 11 o'clock. I think we've been working about an hour. Got a good start, but we got a long way to go.
You got me grunting on video.
I do.
That's sad.
Loading up the car to take stuff to short-term, long-term storage for the kids. Almost 2 o'clock.
gonna fit. I think it's gonna fit. 5 o'clock. Tell the world why we need to save.
Look.
And we have more
Yes.
from your past family.
Oh yeah, my mom. and dad.
Where are theirs?
Oh yeah, we can't forget those. This is good stuff. They even have more.
Shereen, I think we can get help for you.
They even have it in a pretty pouch.
So they don't catch fire.
Yeah. Look at that.
Shereen, honey bunny, we have to work on this. All right, we got to be out of here in exactly 1 week from today.
1 week from today.
1 week from today. We gotta get this whole pod packed up today. And we gotta get the sofa in next, because I think everything's gotta go around that. We've got a lot of work. All right, gotta start packing up our wine. That's a fake smile.
Yep.
Yup. Today is move out day, and it's rather hectic. It's about 7 a.m. I think everybody's coming between 8 and 10. Still got lots of work to do before they get here. It's been quite something. Bye-bye. Goodness gracious, how you feeling?
Great.
It is 3 o'clock. The movers left about 20 minutes ago. Yeah, now we gotta go make a junkyard run and get rid of miscellaneous building materials and stuff for all my hobbies. It's embarrassing how much stuff is in my car, for sure. I don't think we can fit one more coat hanger. We have 600 coat hangers in here. 9 o'clock on Thursday. Gotta go get gas, drive back to the hotel. Gotta return our boxes that we haven't used. You might be asking, why am I sitting here in the car as my wife's doing all the work? Well, I actually have to do something for work real quick. As we're headed off to Shoreline tonight to see Willie Nelson and the Avett brothers. I'm really going to miss Shoreline. I've never been to a show where the vibe wasn't just right. Walking home from Willie and the Avett brothers. For our final send-off the weekend before, we got tickets to Willie Nelson and Bob Weir. Wow, dude.
Ounces of dad.
Holy Holy shit, man.
We made it.
Dude, it's crazy.
The following weekend, the night before we packed the U-Haul and drove off, our good friends Ken and Kelly organized a going away party for us.
Yes, very hot.
The only video we have of this was the morning after.
I'm never gonna go there, and I love that place.
I know, that's great, but we had a plan.
Agreement.
Shreen, I didn't have an agreement to go there last night. And you made me.
Thank you, love.
Let's go.
Thanks for going. Love.
Rise and shine.
Love the Black Watch.
Rise
Black Watch. Black Watch. Black Watch.
Rise and shine.
Okie dokie.
Alright, we're all packed up. What time is it? 7:55. That's where we lived for the last week. Pretty nice place, not too bad.
Yeah. All of that has to fit inside that.
Alright. I don't know, man. It's gonna be a challenge. I mean, there's a lot of room in here still. 148. This is what we got.